Hey everybody, and today we're going to talk about some things about frying, and let's look at that. Why do we fry? Well, there's several different reasons. One, for the absorption of oil, and what that does is creates texture and a smooth flavor or a smooth profile when you take a bite of something and it kind of coats your tongue. Surface dehydration, and I know that sounds kind of weird, but what that really is doing is creating that texture on the outside of the product. So if you're doing a fried chicken, the inside is soft and juicy and moist, and the outside is crispy and tender. Development of surface colors, so you want to have that beautiful mahogany brown color on top of the product. And again, I'm going to use fried chicken as an example. And people like different styles, so it's to your personal preference, but the longer you cook and the darker or the lighter the color of the chicken or the product will be. There's also the ability to address different colorings when you're putting in a breader, so you can make something lighter or darker based off of your preference. And then the creation of flavors. And you don't just eat with your mouth, you eat with your eyes. So when you're looking at all this, you're getting the sense of texture, the smoothness of the oil and the flow of the taste on your mouth and the crispiness, and then of course the caramelization of the outside of the product, getting it darker or lighter to your own personal preference. And those are some of the reasons why we fry. Thanks.